Starting around 19 July 2023, Chilliz generally is exchanging at $0.079 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in especially most recent 60 minutes, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. CHZ generally has an all-out market cap of $559,760,928, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $25,446,546 in an especially large manner. This generally makes Chilliz, CHZ, by and large positioning at 72 in the digital money market in a truly significant manner. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Chilliz cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Chilliz essentially be somewhat worth in 2023? Is Chilliz a very wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Will CHZ cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high in every way that really matters, large way? These by and large are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ''S' future, which truly is very huge. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023. As per the Chilliz gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost especially is supposed to in a real sense cross a sort of normal value level of $0.098, the normal genuinely least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to really be $0.095, by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, CHZ can truly arrive at a really greatest value level of 11 cents, which generally is very critical. Chilliz value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Chilliz generally is supposed to sort of be at around a sort of least of $0.077, which sort of is very huge. Chilliz cost can for the most part arrive at a sort of limit of $0.086, with the very normal cost of $0.084 in United States dollars, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Chilliz value sort of is gauged to all things considered, arrive at a least cost of $0.084, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. The CHZ cost could for the most part arrive at a very greatest cost of $0.090, with the truly normal expected cost around $0.087, which really is genuinely huge. Chilliz value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the especially greatest cost for Chilliz could stretch around $0.094, exhibiting how Chilliz value figured July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Chilliz generally is supposed to essentially be at around a fundamentally least of $0.077, which in a real sense is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of CHZ in September 2023 in a real sense is $0.085, with a typical cost of $0.089. Further appearance, how Chilliz value figured July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Chilliz truly is supposed to truly be at around at least $0.077 in an extremely enormous manner. CHZ value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Chilliz sort of is determined to be at around a really least worth of $0.089 in every practical sense, significant way. The Chilliz value worth can especially arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.098, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.092 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation November 2023. The cost for Chilliz in November 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.091.10, which certainly is genuinely huge. While the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.094 in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz, CHZ, value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Chilliz basically is really anticipated to basically arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0.098, while the coin could exchange between a limit of 11 cents and a very least of $0.095. Chilliz pretty past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been somewhat diminished by 0.18% in its kind of current worth, or so they especially thought. Assuming that we explicitly look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's you can in every way that really matters see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down. So while the typical exchanging cost ought to truly be around $0.094 in an unobtrusive manner, from sort of most recent 7 days, the CHC generally was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.16%. So Chilliz CHC value expectation 2023. As per the Chilliz gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHC cost for the most part is supposed to explicitly cross a kind of normal value level of $0.098. The normal truly least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the very current year ought to essentially be $0.095, or so they especially thought. Chilliz generally has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential of late, and this could be certainly great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, which especially shows that CHC especially has a really complete market cap of $559,760,928, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $25,446,546, or so they especially thought. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of CHC essentially diminished by 43.643%, wiping out an astounding truly normal amount of $0.061 from its truly current worth. Extremely further appearance, how inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of CHC generally diminished by 43.643%, disposing of an incredible sort of typical amount of $0.061 from its truly current worth in a very significant manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a great in a real sense purchase a valuable open door for truly fast speculation. Or so they for the most part thought. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 42.82%, and the cost in a real sense flowed from a genuinely least lovely typical cost of 13 cents to extremely greatest pretty normal cost of 14 cents. In the beyond 90 days in every practical sense, huge way. Chilliz by and large is somewhere near 24.61%, with the greatest truly normal cost of the coin basically was around 11 cents, and the in every practical sense, least all things considered, normal cost of generally was around 11 cents in truly beyond 4 months, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Chilliz value estimate 2023 facts. What will truly be Chilliz worth in 2023? Or so they in every practical sense thought. The CHC cost in a real sense is estimated to truly arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 11 cents, with truly least cost of $0.095. Toward the finish of 2023, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Does Chilliz especially